So in previous class, we discussed complements, that is nothing but radix complement and diminished radix complement. Now we are going to discuss subtraction with complements. Subtraction with complements. Subtraction means, so finally the output will be in subtraction only, but here subtraction with complements means here some procedure is there. Okay, so what is the procedure? So first add the minute m to the odd complement of the subarahand. For example, one second. Yeah, for example, m minus n. Suppose m is one number and n is one number. Add the minute m to the odd complement of the subarahand. That means you have to take the odd complement of n and add it to the minute. And add it to the minute. If m is greater than or equal to n, the sum will produce an end carry. If m is greater than or equal to n value, then it will produce an end carry. So that end carry we can remove, remaining as the result. Okay. The third step is, if m is less than m, if m is less than n, the sum does not produce an end carry. If the m value is, it is less than n, it does not produce an end carry. In that case, whatever the result will come, takes the odds complement of that result and place a negative sign in front of that result. Is it clear what I am saying? So subtraction with complements. Here there is a m and n. M is nothing but minute and n is nothing but subarahand. Takes the odds complement of subarahand and add it to the minute value. So while adding the value, you will get some result. In that result, there is an end carry that can be discarded. If it does not produce an end carry, take the odds complement of the result and place a negative sign in front of that result. So these are the three steps we are using in subtraction with complements. So these are the three steps we are using subtraction with complements. Okay. So next, we will see one example for this method. Okay. So clearly observe that procedure, then you can easily understand. Okay. So these steps are clear. So these steps can you note down. Later we will discuss with example. Example, using tens complement. Very, very important question, sir. Using tens complement, using tens complement, subtract 5 to 532 minus 3250. So this is the example. So what is the example? Using tens complement, subtract 52532 minus 3250. That means you can subtract this value from this. Is it clear? Directly you can subtract. Then what is the value means 49282, right? 52532 minus 3250. What is the value?
49282, ma'am.
Yeah, 49282, ma. So you can subtract the value 3250 from 5 to 532. You will get the value of 49.
492, ma'am.
Huh?
282.
Yeah, 49282. 49282. But simply you know that you can subtract this value on this, you got 49282. But we are applying this procedure, so system will use these procedures. So whether it will come or not, we will cross check in this method. Okay. Okay, that is after your completion of this method by using solving this problem, you got some one result. So that result is matching with this one. Directly you can subtract the value now. So that value is matching with this tens complement. Your answer is correct. Okay. Otherwise you have to mistake is done in your procedure or subtraction. Okay. So we can apply this one by using this procedure, subtraction with complements. So here what using tens complement, right? Here 52532 52532 minus 3250. This is the m value, right? According to our procedure, this is the n value, right? Yes or no? This is the m
Yes,
and this is
ma'am.
the n.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is the minute and this is the subarahand. So first you can equalize the number of bits in m and n. So here how many number of bits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bits.
5, ma'am.
Here only 4 bits. We can equalize the number of bits in minute and subarahand. And here you can place in front of this value 0. The first one you can cross check. The number of bits in minute and subarahand must and should be equal. So minute how many number of bits are there? 5 bits. So in number of bits in subarahand are 4 bits. So in front of this 3250 I can place 0. The value cannot be changed, right? Yes or no? And the first step takes the OR's complement of subarahand. What is the complement here we are using? Tens complement, right? Yes or no? Tens complement of 03250. What is the tens complement? Nines complement plus 1. So what is the nines complement procedure? Nines complement procedure. So here how many values are there? 5 values. You can take 5 nines and subtract this value from this. That means 03250. And what is the value? 9
96749.
4 7 6 9. So 96749 and tens complement is equal to nines complement plus 1. That means you can add here 1. Then what is the value? 96750. 96750. Okay. So this value, so this is the first step. Takes the OR's complement of subarahand and add it to the minute. So you can add 96750 to the 52532. Add it. 52532 plus
19282.
96750. What is the value now?
149282.
Yeah, 149282. So what is the second step? What is the second step? The sum will produce an end carry. That means here how many bits are there? 6 bits. But here it will sum, it will produce 7 bits, right? This is the end carry, right? This is the end carry. So simply we can discard it. That means we can eliminate that one. We can eliminate that one. And what is the remaining result is the remaining values are left. That will be the result. remaining values are left now, that will be the result. What is the result? 49282. Is it clear? 49282 is the result. So without this procedure, you can subtract this value from this number, right? Then what is the result? Without this procedure, you can subtract this value from this method, so from this number. Then what is the value you got?
49282.
Yeah. So here this will also 49282, right? So, but the system will be used with these complements. But here a subtraction means it does not subtracting the value. Takes the odds complement of subrahand and add it to the minute. If there is any end carry produced, simply we can discard that end carry and remaining is the result. There is no need to go third step. In that case, we are going to third step. That is, takes the odds complement of the result and place the negative sign in front of that result. Is it clear? 9's complement plus 1, that is 10's complement. So 03250. For that, you can perform 10's complement. So 10's complement means first you can apply the 9's complement of this number. How you can apply the 9's complement of this number means how many number of bits are there? Take that much number of 9's and this value you can subtract from this 9's and you got some result, that is 96749. So this is the 9's complement of 03250 and after got the result, you can add plus 1, that is 10's complement is equal to 9's complement plus 1. Then for this result, you can add plus 1, you got 10's complement result, that is 96750. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then next do one more example you can easily understand. Using 10's complement, subtract 3250 minus 72532. Subtract 3250 minus 72532. That means first you have to equalize the number of bits in minute and subrahand and takes the odds complement of subrahand and add it to the minute. If there is any end carry, discard that end carry, remaining of the result. If it does not produce an end carry, for that result, it takes the odds complement of the result and place a negative sign in front of that result. So we will do this one. So now, first equalize these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here only 4. So in front of this, you can place minus sign. Now, take the 10's complement of 72532. That is perform first 9's complement for this number. So 9's complement of that number is how many number of digits are there? 6 digits, 5 digits, right? You can take 5 number of 9's and subtract this value from this 9's. That means 72532. And what is the result?
2767.
6,
2746.
27467, right?
27467.
Yeah. So this is the 9's complement. 10's complement of that number is add plus 1.
2746.
Right? So 86472. 27468. Okay. So this is the tens complement of this number. This number you can add to 03250. Okay. The next step is tens complement, that is odd complement, is added to the minute. So now we are going to add 03250, and tens complement of 72532 is 27468, right? So 03250, the tens complement of 72532 is 27468. You can add this value here. So 0 plus 8, 8, 6 plus 5, 11, and 5, 7, 10, 30718, right?
Yes, ma'am.
30718. 30718. So in this sum, it will produce an end carry or not? Is it produce any end carry
ma'am.
or not?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. So next,
ma'am.
it does not produce an end carry. The next step is, what is the next step now? Directly we are going to third step, right? Takes the odds complement of the result. That means here you can take the tens complement of 30718. Now here tens complement of the result. That means 30718. So what is the tens complement? So how many number of digits are there? 5 digits. 5 digits. So 30718. So 191 means 8, 2, 9, 6.
69281.
So
ma'am.
69281. So for this you
69281.
can add plus 1. Then what is the result?
69282.
Yeah, 69282. And make a minus sign in front of that result. That means after performing tens complement, put a sign in front of that result. That means minus 69282 is the answer for this. So you can cross check this. You can cross check without this one. Normally subtract this number, then tell me what is the result. Without this, subtract this value by using normal subtraction method, then what is the result?
Minus 69282, ma'am.
Minus 69282. Is it correct now?
Yes, ma'am.
So that way you can cross check with your answer. Given the binary numbers, note down. Given the binary numbers, x is equal to 1010, x is equal to 1010, 100. X is equal to 1010, 100. And y is equal to 10000, 10000, 10000, 11. So given the two binary numbers, x is equal to 1010, 100, y is equal to 100, 100, 111. Perform the subtraction. X minus y. Then the first one, a is nothing but x minus y. B is nothing but y minus x. Perform the subtraction x minus y and y minus x by using 2's complement method. By using 2's complement method. So given two numbers, x is equal to 1010, 100, y is equal to 100, 11. Perform the subtraction x minus y, y minus x by using 2's complement method. So previously we discussed the same concept also you can apply here. Takes the 2's complement of y and add it to the x. If there is any end carry will produce, simply discard that end carry, or remaining whatever will be left, that will be the result. Otherwise, it does not produce any end carry for that. Takes the result, takes the 2's complement of the result and place a negative sign in front of that result. Okay. First, I will explain x minus 1. Later, you can find out y minus x. So x minus y is nothing but 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 0 1 1, right? So this is the minute and this is the subarahand. Takes the 2's complement as subarahand and add it to the minute. That is the first step. So before that, you are normal equalize the number of bits in both minute and subarahand. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. The number of bits are equal in both minute and subarahand. Next, you can take the 2's complement of 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. What is the 2's complement of that number? 2's complement of 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. What is the 2's complement value? 0 1 1 1 1 0 1, right? So 2's complement is nothing but 1's complement plus 1. So already we discussed in previous class. So 1's complement for this number is nothing but 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. For that you can add plus 1. It will be you got the value 0 1 1 1 1 0 1. So this is a 2's complement of this number. Then you can add this value to this one. So x is nothing but here 1 0 1 0 1 0 0, and 2's complement of y is 0 1 1 1 0 1. Now add it. 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 1 0, 1 plus 1 1 0, 111 means 1 1, 11 means 1 0 1 0. So make binary addition idea unte, then you can if you have idea about binary addition, then you can easily add these binary numbers. Okay, so here 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 not 2 here 1 0. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. 2 value is nothing but 1 0. So here carry will be 1 and sum will be 0. Okay, and 1 plus 1 1 0, carry will be 1, sum will be 0. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. So what is the result? Means 1 1. Why? Because 1 plus 1 plus 1, this value indicates as 3, right? So 3 means 1 1, right? Sorry ma. Here 1 plus 1 1 0, 1 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1 1. So here carry will be 1 and sum will be 1. And 1 plus 1 is nothing but 1 0, carry will be 1 and sum will be 0. Again 1 plus 1 is nothing but 1 0. So here it will produce an end carry. So here we can discard this. So if you have to perform the addition, so must and should you know the binary addition. Here 1 plus 1 is nothing but 1 0. Why? Because 1 plus 1 is not 2 in binary addition. So 2 means 1 0. So that means you can place 1 as in carry and 0 as sum. Here 1 plus 1 1 0, 1 0 plus 1 1 1. That means sum 1 carry 1. Is it clear? So final result is 001110001. Still any doubts?
మేడం బైనరీ అడిషన్ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి మేడం.
So binary addition here, for example, you can assume that 2 inputs AB and sum and carry. Addition antane. So for addition means automatically sum and carry. So 2 inputs, how many combinations will become? 4 combinations, right? That means 00, 01, 10, 1.